Yes? What are you doing?
Little puppy.
Are you working?
Oh, yes,
So is this what you do to Mike's desk when he's not here?
It's a good guy.
You want to tell everybody you climbed up there by yourself?
Yeah, my dad,
I wish I saw you do it because I don't know how you did it.
Oh, it's a good guy. It's like this.
Yeah? All you need is a headset.
Like it. Like it. It's just like it.
Yeah?
It's like it.
What are you doing, baby? Are you emailing mommy? You gonna email mommy? What are you writing? Yeah? You're silly, Billy.
Yeah?
You ready to go home? Wanna go home? No, you wanna stay at work? You wanna go see Cooper?
No.
No, you wanna stay here? You wanna stay at work? Yes? Well, that's where we differ, baby.
No, my dad is a doctor.
Oh, okay, fine.
He's a doctor.
Yeah. Say cheese. Cheese. Gotcha. Gotcha.